Bangladesh has expressed interest in joining the Mecca defense agreement between Saudi Arabia, Pakistan and Turkey, under which an attack on one member is treated as an attack on all members. Pakistan has imposed a 750 km NOTAM, fueling speculation of an upcoming test of the 750 km range Fatah-3 supersonic cruise missile, which is derived from China's HD-1 missile. The Indian Army has officially raised the badge drone battalion under Vajra Corps along Pakistan front, that will operate MQ-9 Heron and Hermes long-endurance surveillance platforms, as well as Indian tactical UAVs, FPV drones, loitering munitions and logistics UAVs, followed by Ghatak stealth UCAV in the future for deep strike missions. The DRDO has signed a transfer of technology agreement with Bharat Dynamics Limited for the submarine-fired Decoy, paving the way for its production. The DRDO has signed a transfer of technology agreement with Hyderabad-based Vertex Engineering for technology related to the fabrication, installation and commissioning of General Electric LM2500 gas turbine engines. Nabhastra Technologies Private Limited has emerged as the lowest bidder to supply 30 vertical takeoff and landing Kamikaze UAVs to the Indian Army. Noida-based Diaspro Technologies Private Limited has developed an indigenous digital ballistic computer for the Indian Army's T-90 main battle tanks. Cochin Shipyard Limited has delivered Mangrol, the third of 8 Mahe-Class anti-submarine warfare shallow water craft to the Indian Navy. EndureAir Systems and Bharat Electronics Limited have unveiled the VAHAK 6 Mothership system, which comprises a Sabal-20-based airborne platform designed to deploy 6 micro-unmanned aerial vehicles for surveillance and strike missions in GPS-denied and electronic warfare environments. The Indian Army is preparing a 9,000 crore rupees global tender for active protection systems, seeking technology transfer and local manufacturing. Larsen & Toubro and Israel's Rafale Advanced Defense Systems will offer the trophy system, while Sweden's Saab will offer its LEDS 50 Mark II system customized for Indian platforms. The DRDO is developing advanced vibration isolation mounts to make future Indian warships quieter and harder for enemy submarines to detect. The mounts are designed to absorb machinery vibrations before they reach the hull, reducing underwater acoustic signatures. At a time when India is weighing two fundamentally different proposals from Rolls-Royce and Safran for the 120 kN class Indigenous engine intended for the AMCA Mark II, new reports indicate that Rolls-Royce and Reliance Industries have already developed 2 modules for its 120 kN engine, suggesting that preliminary work is already underway, even before India formally sanctions the program. If the program is contracted by the end of 2026, Rolls-Royce and Reliance Industries is targeting an engine core test around 2030, followed by flight testing around 2034, and the start of series production around 2036, a timeline that broadly aligns with the development timeline of the AMCA Mark II. India and the United Arab Emirates are building one of the world's largest concentrations of Rafale fighters outside France, with their combined fleets potentially reaching 256 aircraft, creating an opportunity for India to emerge as a major regional maintenance and sustainment hub. Industry sources have said that the M88 engine maintenance, repair and overhaul facility in Hyderabad could eventually support other regional Rafale operators, including the United Arab Emirates, positioning India as an important regional center for long-term fleet sustainment. Russian officials have pitched the 2-seat Su-57D as an airborne command platform to India, with the first pilot flying the aircraft and handling combat operations, while the second pilot controls unmanned combat aerial vehicles for reconnaissance, strike and electronic warfare missions. They also said that the architecture could be open to non-Russian unmanned platforms, allowing an Indian Su-57D to control future systems such as Ghatak and CATS Warrior. Today's top 3 comments.